customize ringtones on iPhone via Apple Music. Customizing the iPhone ringtones can be a great way to instantly recognize specific contacts when they call. Instead of using default ringtones, a user can create personalized ones using GarageBand on their iPhone or Mac. How to make a custom ringtone through Apple Music? Following is a step-by-step guide on how to make a custom ringtone from a song in Apple Music. First, launch the Music app on an iPhone. Then, choose the song a user wants as a ringtone from their music library, keeping a note of the starting and ending timestamps, a maximum of 30 seconds. Then, right-click the song and select Get Info. In Options, set the start and stop time for the ringtone. Then, click OK to save the changes. Choose Convert and then create AAC version or create MP3 version if necessary from the File menu. Then right-click the new file and select Show in Finder. Note the file extension .m4a or .mp3. If the extension is .m4a, change it to .m4r for a ringtone. If it's .mp3, convert it to .m4a using QuickTime Player before renaming it to .m4r. And lastly, transfer the .m4r file to an iPhone and set it as a custom ringtone for specific contacts.